time to open the doors on Florry because we're going to do a washing and decided we'll do a washing video. How boring! But some people do ask, how do we do our washing in Florry? So we shall show you. We haven't opened these for ages. It'd be nice to have some fresh air up there. The back's actually quite empty at the moment, I think. Oh, that might be handy. Might have to do that as well. So out comes the twin tub. Which, I don't know. That twin tub was really, really good for when we travelled, because when we do our washing, it saves us going to a laundrette. And obviously laundrettes are quite expensive, so we use it all the time. Here, while we're on the drive, we've been lucky enough to use the washing machine in the house. Ooh. But sometimes we still use this because don't want to be taking the mickey. But yeah, so that's the lorry. Not fully open though. We need to fully open the lorry to get to the back. I'd like to see. Yeah, I would like the air in there. Would be nice. There's the stickers of where we've been, and on the other door, all the stickers we've had from you guys. We're still collecting. And hopefully when we move we can get some more. Is that the difficult one? Way. So that's the back. And we usually close the curtains when we're out travelling so people can't see all the stuff we've got in the back. Although a lot of it's not there. Yeah.
We've got a hammock.
So the curtains close. They're just rubbishy, handmade, some old material, but it works on shower curtains. So then when we leave it open, people don't usually see what's inside the back.
So this is a twin tub. It's got a spinner which gets things really dry, and the washing section which you just fill up with water. Comes with hoses, very, very cheap. Couldn't really get on with them, so we use this when we're outside, or here, oops, let's drop in the bottle, the tap reaches, and we can fill it up with the hose. That noise you can hear in the background, we're just filling up the kettle, so we've got hot water. If I turn this round, the back there's the power cable, so we can plug it in, and if you take a look here, you'll see it uses 360 watts, so really low power. So the wash takes, put my glasses on, 240 watts, and the spin is 120, 360 in total if you're running both. So, you know, even a kilowatt inverter will do for that. Quite good. So this plugs in. Unplug the kettle which is boiling. And bring it round again. We do it light. And make sure it's not on drain, otherwise the water goes everywhere. So we've got standard, which is nice, and then we've got to fill it up.
So I'm not sure if you can see, that's the tub filling up. I think we're just about ready to put the clothes in. Obviously normally we don't have to have all this palaver of doing a kettle to fill it up, but obviously we've got no hot water at the moment because our tank's broken. Which we're going to have to sort out as well. But usually we just put the water in, hot water from there.
In the last video where you saw us fixing a tap, well, me fixing a tap, Catherine was busy crocheting, and this is the fruits of her labour. What is this?
It's a market bag. It's just a market bag. It's got quite a nice solid base for when you put things in it. Not finished yet.
Getting there.
And yeah, it's getting there. It's just a market bag for fruit and veg and whatever bits and bobs. I am going to be selling it because it needs money.
Available in all good Florry the Lorry shops.
But yeah, it gives me something to do while I'm waiting for 15 minutes for the washing.
Also forgot to mention hairbands. For that, got that COVID-19 lockdown hair? You need a hairband. Hides all the grey. Washing machine is just finished, and if we look now, it's all beautiful and clean. Oh, It's kind of mucky. But that's the idea. May need a rinse. So we now take our washing, tip it over here into the spin dryer. Oh, not all at once, obviously. Anything you've got to do with this is make sure it's all sort of put in evenly, otherwise the whole thing shakes like mad. So. So you can see how wet it's going in. And then we'll give it a spin. We'll see how dry it is. Over on this side, we've got the drain, which is already filling up. Look at a lovely colour on there. That's from the spin dryer, so just squeezing it down a bit. I haven't actually switched the spin dryer on yet. So if we give it a whirl. That's not very level. There we go.
There we are.
Now it really whooshes out.
Timer has stopped, so we're going to take them clothes out.
Oh yes, the clothes. Ha! Look at this.
They come
And
out
it's dry.
quite. They do come out really, really.
Well, they're not dripping wet.
They're not dripping wet
Not
at
dry,
all.
but-
No, they come out much
I mean-
drier than the normal washing machine, I find.
Yeah, it doesn't.
No, yeah, they're great. So yeah, next is
Don't you
hanging it
know?
up. Oh, that was from from Germany, wasn't it? Yeah.
Oh, does say Germany's on it.
Oh, the castles. That was on the romantic road. We went on the romantic road in Germany. Memories.
You want to see my underpants now? Or are you
No.
going to play the video?
So when it's nice and sunny like this, we use this, which we got hold of this in Spain. I'm sure you can get them here as well. We can just hang it out in the sun. However, when it's raining and not nice, we've got an alternative.
Oh, yeah, take 3. It actually goes this way round, and we fold that out, and this one out, and it clips up this way like this. 2. And then we take this end, and it comes up and clips on. Like forward. Like that. And there's another one on the side. And now you've got just enough room to hang your clothes. So this is the washing hung up. On sunny days, obviously, it's outside. But in the winter and when it's cold and raining, it comes inside and we hang it up in here. Handy thing is, the diesel heater exits just down there. So if you've got that on, you get nice warm dry air blown up here and it dries it really quickly. And that's how we do our washing in Florry.